Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is September the 13th, 2022. We are going to talk about Upstart today and see if this particular stock is on the rise. Because if it is, we want to be in position so we can capitalize off of the move higher. Am I right? Of course. So let's go ahead and talk about Upstart today. Now, welcome to the channel, everyone who is new. This is what I do. I do price prediction without the confusion. It doesn't take a whole lot of time. You don't have to do a whole lot of research. You don't have to do no fundamental analysis. You don't have to pay attention to this person, to that person. We only pay attention to the money, which is being represented off of the price chart. So if you guys want to join me, hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe. All right. Now, I did a video for Upstart on August the 10th when the market was trading right here. Okay. This is where the market in Upstart was trading when I did my video. And I told you all, I wasn't going to do a price prediction because I wanted to see the strength in the market in Upstart to break $36. Now look what happened. My horizontal line was already positioned here and the market in Upstart could not trade its price above 36. So are we surprised to see that not happen? No, of course we're not, because we talked about it on my last video on August the 10th. This is not a hard game. So imagine if you wanted to short this stock. That horizontal line represented when you should have shorted the stock, because price has gone down since that time period of when I created the video, right? Now, the market has gone down from that horizontal line 20%, 21.25%. When it hit $24, that was around 34% movement lower. That's a pretty good sizable profit if you understand how to short the market. But here we are today. Can we see Upstart rise? Because this market in Upstart isn't doing too much. It is just a tradable market. If you know how to scalp the market on an intraday basis, this is perfect for you, because we're not getting a whole lot of volatility in this particular stock right now. We're not seeing it. Now, let me take this to a longer time frame right here on the 5-week chart first, okay? Because over the last 2 5-weekly price bars, I want to show you that we haven't seen a lot of bullishness on the chart. This 5-weekly price bar, right along with this one, all indicates most of the market trying to sell out of their positions. Now, 3 weeks, this is selling. Okay, selling coming to the market here, but then the last completed 3-weekly price bar, Upstart closed higher, or at least closed higher than it opened. Okay, and this is the third 3-weekly price bar. So 9 weeks, price in Upstart has held this price above $23. 9 weeks. That's an indication for us. It tells us where the back holders are at. It tells us where people are opening up their wallets. Every time the market in Upstart comes down to $22.50, $23, people start to buy because the market is not moving below that line. 2 weeks. Again, the anticipation, the expectation after we see a bar like this will be for the market to continually go down, which it goes to confirm that people are buying Upstart around $22.50, $23. As long as that's the case, Upstart is going to maintain this trading range. I'm just going to keep it real. We're going to see this market in Upstart continue to trade above $22.50. We are. Because the chart is not lying to us. Look at all these 2-weekly price bars to where price did not fall below that level. Just look at it. And by us seeing over the last 2 weeks, the market in Upstart closed higher than the previous 2-weekly price bar, tells me that this particular stock is trying to rise. It's trying to go up. Now, it doesn't mean that we're going to see a monumental move higher. No, but it just tells us that the trend in Upstart is trying to be up. That's it. Okay. Looking at Upstart on a 5-day chart, we got 9 hours on this current 5-day price bar, and it looks decent. We're closing off on the highs, so it still tells me that there's selling mixed in. On the 3-day chart, you guys can see it here, even here on a 2-day. So we got some selling still here on the chart in Upstart. So let's not act like the sellers are not here, because they are. The sellers are still here. So if we're not able to see the market in Upstart break $30 to the upside, we should not be massively bullish then. That's the first problem, is $30. Now let me look at this on the hourly chart. The 2-hour chart looks decent. Even here on the 1 hour, 90 minutes. Yeah, so I'm still going to look for the market to go up in Upstart. But like I told you, $30 is our first hurdle. It's the first problem for the buyers. Will they achieve price breaking above 30? Let's see how much that will be. So we're looking for the market in Upstart to trend higher, to go to 30. As our first price target, you guys can see that's around 7% profitability. It's decent. It's good. We'll take it. Because that's the thing that I want everyone who views my videos and my content is, if the market is going to offer us only 7%, we have to take it. We should not be greedy, because we know that every time we deploy resources to these stocks, somebody else is trying to get it. So that's my first price target right there. My second one's going to be around 32. Okay, that's around 14.25%. And that is it. Now we already know that $24 is support, even down here around $22.50. So let me bring it down just a little bit. Okay, so looking at this, since we know that selling is still here in the market, we need to be prepared for the market to go down. Okay, be prepared for that. But I'm done. It's your turn. Let me know, what is your price prediction, your price target in the market for Upstart. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.